Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through
How to activate FaceTime on any iPhone. FaceTime lets you make video and audio calls over Wi Fi or cellular data, and here is how to activate it and fix common activation issues if needed. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Apps option available there. Now, inside the apps, scroll down and tap on the FaceTime. And inside FaceTime, toggle the FaceTime on. It should be green. Also, make sure that you are signed in with the Apple ID if prompted. And also make sure your phone number and Apple ID email are listed under you can be reached by FaceTime at. Now wait for activation. Activation can take a few minutes to 24 hours, so be patient.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.